dak ban penpau ko buram shiki Nongshong Shnong uba Sanbor Shulai MLA ka South Shillong constituency bat menteri ka arts and culture ka Sarkar Jalla harangkat ka Jingïarap bat ka monitoring kam implementation committee ka constituency ha khalai trek no projectson kila penlong Jingïarap ya ka pre Christmas and New Year get together harmony ha state convention center ha ni Jingïarap na lo ba Sanbor lai don lang de kinongelam Shnong kinongelam chigi balang ba fer ki Nongshong Shnong na lor kiwe pan ha ni Jingïarap ba Sanbor ai Christian pisa shaki kenon balang bar shaki darbar Shnong bar lo samru iching ai so ba Christmas shaki Nongshong Shnong haba ai kran ba Sanbor lo ong ba Jingïarap advance Christmas kamdai ke barang thamai constituency jungu nomor kumu MLA lo sheme Jingïarap ba ai Jingïarap pisa shaman ki kenon balang bat ki darbar Shnong jongka constituency nakamenta ka Jingïarap ke ba pahu pahai dollar kata lo kentu ki pajba South Shillong constituency ba kinya chakmat ye ki jingem jongki dak jing Ieid bat Sumar iwe pan kamtam hagani ka Aïom Lehkmen.
Community, St. John Parish.
For the last many years, we as a committee, as a chairman and all the members of the MCIC 19 South Shillong constituency, we used to organize this kind of Christmas and New Year celebration, and during puja festival, we used to also organize the pre-Durga Puja and various puja get together of harmony. And today we are very happy that we are assembled here today and to celebrate the pre-Christmas and New Year. And I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all our friends, our brother and sister from the electronic media and the printing press who have attended this program. And there will be as per the programs, as per the invitation that we have sent to you. So the host of this program, along with the secretary of the MCIC, Anthony Marwin, they will carry on. They will carry forward with the remaining part of this program. One message I want to send through you, all our brothers and sisters, our senior citizens and the leaders of various church committee, that this is my life experience, my social and political experience, that I used to have ample time when I travel outside my state. And I'm having small holy books in my briefcase. So that is the beauty of my life. Then you don't have anything to do inside the flight when it is flying. So I enjoy myself reading the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, the Tripartite, or the Kot Kentang Bahuit. It teaches the same thing. It teaches that all living thing in this earth, be it human being, be it animals, be it birds, fish, or insect, all living things in this earth are being created by only one soul of God. So we are here today. We may belongs to various faith and religion. We may belongs to various different communities. But remember, all my brothers and sisters and senior citizens and church leaders, we are all created by only one.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya